Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in Yes Bank credit card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.yesbank.in. Once you do this, you will end up in the official page of Yes Bank. Simply go in the card section where you can see the apply now option. However, to get logged in into your account, you need to simply tap on the login option, which is on the right hand side of your screen. So once you tap on login option, you can find several ways and accounts. So simply tap on the Yes Online. So once you tap it on, you need to now enter your login ID which you have from your registration. Once you type in the login ID, type in your password as well. So once both the credentials are filled, press on the login button. So this will allow you to get logged in into your Yes Online, where you can find the Yes Bank credit card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.